Actually going to walk you through how to find creator connections. I get this question a lot, and I know it might be really simple, but if you don't have it bookmarked, it's hard to find. It's not really easy. Navigating Amazon is not super easy. My name is Spencer. I earn between 4 and 5 figures a month in the Amazon Influencer Program. I'm here to help you with tips, tricks, guides, questions, and stuff like that. So I'm on my storefront. I'm on my storefront here, and you can see, and this is the easiest way to find it because this is where most people know where to go. So up here in the settings right here, you're going to see site strat, oppings, and earnings. This next page I'm actually going to block out a little bit because I'm not allowed to show you my earnings, but this is the easiest way to get to it for the first time, so then you can bookmark it. You can see that I actually have it bookmarked right up here, so that's what I recommend when we get to this point, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So I'm going to click on earnings, and right up here you have your store ID. Now, you may have 3 or 4 store IDs, depending on what you've set up and how long you've been in the program and what route you took. That's not really the important thing here. You have your on-site, which is ON, on Amazon. That means that's your on-site affiliate commissions, influencer, all of that kind of stuff, everything that is on the website of Amazon. The other one, which is a custom one that you created, is off-site, or basically everything else. You want to make sure that you're in off-site. So you want to click that other ID, and I'm going to actually block that out too. You'll come over to this hamburger or the stack, the 3 stack right here. You're going to click on this. And again, I'm zoomed in here just to help you. You'll see that you have reports, you have a storefront, you have tools, you have promotions, you have Creator University, you have account, you have help, and you have sign out. Well, what we really want to go to is we want to go to promotions. And again, that's going to pull up a lot of different things, but you'll see right here at the top it says Creator Connections. These are other very useful tools, but that's not what we're talking about today. So we're going to click on Creator Connections, and then it's going to take us to the world where we have all specific campaigns to the account, at least as of today, 703,225. I am a platinum influencer, so I get campaigns a week before gold, silver, and bronze. So you might have a different number there. That's not the point, but there we are. Now, you'll see also that we have this new sponsored product for creators. This came out about a month ago. These are also all of the campaigns that you get paid just per click. But again, if we go back to Affiliate Plus or Creator Connections, a lot of people are using those intermittently. This is where we have all of these campaigns. Now, while we're here, I'm going to show you how you can actually navigate them and search through them and kind of minimize them a little bit. This is without an extension or anything like that. So ignore all of the pink on the screen. That is an extension. I highly recommend. I'll leave it in the comments if you have questions about it. But you can sort by newest release date, recommended, commission rate. So all of these right here at the top are, you can see right here, 50% commission, 50% commission, 50% commission. These also expire pretty soon. This one's actually for an entire year. This one is out. But then you can go down to by brand, potential earnings, campaign title, A to Z, start date, end date. The other really cool thing that you can do is you actually can search by brand or keyword. So let's just say I wanted to look for something about golf or gold. We're going to do golf. So any Creator Connections campaign that has the word golf in the title or the description or the subtitle, you can see is pulling up here. So we're going to get a lot of stuff. We're going to get golf clubs, golf mats, golf balls, golf tees, golf stamps, golf trainers, magnets, phone holders, shirts, polos, but you can start to see all of these, right? And some of these campaigns you can see right here, like Monojoy, they've actually put in 3 different campaigns that expire here pretty quick. Training stick, this one right here. Anyway, so you can search for all different types of things here. Now this is the part where I want to show you how to put this in your bookmarks. There's a couple different ways to do this. There's the one that most people do, which is they're just going to put it in their bookmark. And they'll put it in their bookmarks bar. The problem is my bookmarks bar is full, so where did it go? So the easiest way to save this is to click on the bookmark, and then I can rename this. And I don't want to put it in a folder. I just want to leave it in my bookmarks bar. So that's the easiest way to save this. And I'm actually going to name this Creator Connections, just like that. We're done. You can see Creator Connections is right here. So it's going to reload the page, go to the place here, and I am now exactly where I was. Hopefully this was helpful. If you found value in this, I would love it if you shared it with people that might also find value. Obviously, like, subscribe, and if you have questions about this video specifically, let me know. You can watch more videos here.